Fix Conan Exiles Enhanced not launching, crashing, freezing, GAT. Not loading on PC, ## restart your PC, close Conan Exiles completely. Restart your computer, launch the game again. Run the game as administrator, right-click Conan Exiles shortcuts, select Run Ace Administrator, check if the game launches properly. Verify game files, open Steam Library, Conan Exiles, open Properties, go to Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Update graphics drivers, open NVIDIA or AMD software. Download latest GPU drivers, install the update, restart the PC. Disable overlays, disable. Steam overlay turn off, Discord overlay disable, NVIDIA overlay turn off, Xbox game bar stash. Lower graphics settings, open game settings, reduce texture quality, lower shadows and effects, disable ray tracing if enabled. Delete corrupted cache files, open local app data folder, open Conan Exiles folder, delete cache and temporary files, restart the game. Disable full screen optimization, right-click the game shortcut, open properties, go to compatibility, enable, disable full screen optimizations, run this program as administrator, save changes, update DirectX Visual C++, install latest DirectX version, install latest Microsoft Visual C+ redistributables, restart your PC, close background applications, close unnecessary apps, disable heavy startup programs, stop recording software running in background, launch the game again. Check Windows updates, open Windows settings, check for updates, install pending updates, restart the computer. Reinstall Conan Exiles, uninstall the game completely, restart the PC, install the game again, launch as, and test extra tip. If crashes started after a new update, wait for an official patch because some updates can temporarily cause startup crashes and freezing issues on certain PCs.